Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing Cheezious and signing in so the app can show nearby options. Once installed, create your account or use Google/Apple to save time. Make sure to enable location and notifications so offers and pickup windows appear accurately. Add a payment method now, card, Apple/Google Pay, or wallet, so checkout is instant. These early steps remove friction and let you jump straight into ordering. Once done, you're ready to find food without delays. You'll navigate categories or use search to find a sandwich or special. Filters help narrow by distance, price, or dietary needs. Tap an item to customize size, bread, toppings, and add-ons. Use modifiers for extra cheese or sauce. Once set, add to cart, then repeat or choose combo deals to save. Make sure to apply promo codes before you leave the menu screen so discounts stick. This step builds your exact order before checkout, preventing mistakes later. You'll review your cart, add a tip, and choose pickup or delivery, confirm payment, and tap place order to send it. Once placed, use live tracking to watch preparation and ETA. For pickup, arrive at the assigned window and use the ready notification. If something goes wrong item, delay, or payment glitch, open in-app support to chat or request a refund, or cancel within the allowed window. Staying calm and documenting the issue helps speed resolution and get your meal fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.